Plié, Piqué, and Passé the penguins. Today, let's meet the 3 penguins of the Cirque du Ballet. Plié, Piqué, and Passé. Plié can bend and straighten his knees really wide side to side. You try a plié. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Bend now. Zip up. Bend and zip up. Let's try 4 demi-pliés in first position and 4 demi-pliés in second position. Ready? First position. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Second position. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Bravo! You pliéed like Plié the Penguin. Give yourself a round of applause. Plié had a brother and sister named Piqué and Passé. Piqué liked to pick up his toes on the water watching it splash. You try. Piqué, Piqué. Let's try the other leg. Piqué, Piqué. Passé passed her toe to her knee, creating the letter P. You try. Passé, toe to knee. Passé, toe to knee. They are a family of dancing penguins. Plié, Piqué, and Passé. Let's put them together. Piqué, Passé, Piqué, Passé, Piqué, Passé, and hold, hold, hold. Piqué, Passé, Piqué, Passé, Piqué, Passé, and hold, hold, hold. Good! That's all for today. See you next time.